Seniors, this video is not by accident. This video is for you. If you are over 60 and you feel your muscles growing weaker, your legs tiring faster, or your arms shrinking, I want you to know something important. It is not just aging. They told you muscle loss is normal. They told you fatigue is inevitable. But what if I told you that was a lie? What if the strength you had at 40 can return, and all it takes is the right fruit on your plate? Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, I will reveal the one fruit that can rebuild your muscles naturally and make you feel decades younger again. So if you have ever struggled with weak legs when climbing stairs, if you have ever felt fatigue halfway through the day before you've even finished your tasks, if you have ever noticed that your grip isn't what it used to be and that your muscles feel softer, smaller, or weaker, then this message is for you. And make no mistake, you are here for a reason. You are not watching this by chance. This is the moment where everything begins to change. Now let us dive into these 7 fruits that can help rebuild your muscle strength naturally and restore the power of youth in your body. Fruit number 7, watermelon, the circulation booster. Most people see watermelon as nothing more than a refreshing summer treat, but few realize that this juicy fruit contains one of the most powerful natural compounds for muscle restoration, L-citrulline. This amino acid is converted by your body into nitric oxide, a molecule that opens up and relaxes your blood vessels. Why is this so important for seniors? Because as we age, our blood vessels grow stiff and narrow, making it harder for oxygen and nutrients to reach the muscles. It's like trying to water a garden through a thin, clogged straw. The result? Heavy legs, swelling ankles, and muscles that simply cannot repair themselves. But when you eat watermelon, especially the white part near the rind that most people throw away, you are giving your body the very tool it needs to improve blood flow. That means more oxygen, more nutrients, and faster muscle recovery. Seniors who eat watermelon daily often notice less cramping in their calves at night, reduced swelling, and the ability to walk further without that burning, heavy sensation. Studies from Florida State University even proved that watermelon juice lowered blood pressure and improved arterial function in older adults. To maximize the benefit, cut your watermelon into wedges and eat all the way down to the white part near the skin. It may not taste as sweet, but it is packed with 3 times more muscle-building nutrients than the red flesh. Fruit number 6, pineapple, the inflammation fighter. Have you ever woken up feeling stiff, swollen, or sore even though you didn't do much the day before? That is not normal aging. It is inflammation. And chronic inflammation is one of the biggest enemies of muscle strength in seniors. Pineapple contains a miracle enzyme called bromelain, which acts like a natural fire extinguisher for inflammation. When inflammation stays switched on in the body, your immune system keeps breaking down muscle tissue instead of building it up. This is why recovery takes longer. Soreness lasts for days, and muscles shrink instead of growing. Bromelain interrupts this destructive process and allows your muscles to rebuild. Fresh pineapple is the only way to get active bromelain, because canned or processed pineapple loses this enzyme completely. Within days of eating fresh pineapple daily, many seniors notice reduced joint stiffness, less swelling in their fingers and ankles, and greater energy in their muscles. It's more than just fruit. It's nature's way of giving your body a reset button against inflammation. Fruit number 5, bananas, the muscle calmer. Every senior knows the pain of sudden muscle cramps, those sharp stabbing spasms in the calves or thighs that wake you up at night. These cramps are often the result of low potassium and magnesium, 2 minerals that muscles need to contract and relax properly. Bananas are packed with potassium and magnesium, making them one of the best natural remedies for muscle cramps and weakness. But the benefits go beyond stopping cramps. Potassium also helps regulate fluid balance, prevents muscle breakdown, and reduces fatigue. Eating 1 banana a day can improve your strength, stabilize your energy, and help you move with confidence. For even more power, combine bananas with a handful of nuts or seeds. This simple snack provides the perfect balance of nutrients for rebuilding muscles after activity. Fruit number 4, oranges, the recovery accelerator. Vitamin C is not just for immunity, it is essential for building collagen, the protein that forms the foundation of your muscles, tendons, and joints. Without enough vitamin C, your muscles cannot repair micro tears, your tendons weaken, and your recovery slows down dramatically. Oranges are one of the richest natural sources of vitamin C, and they deliver it in the perfect, absorbable form. When seniors add oranges or fresh orange juice to their daily diet, they notice faster healing from soreness, stronger tendons, and improved endurance. Vitamin C also helps fight oxidative stress, which damages muscle cells and accelerates aging. Think of oranges as a shield and a builder at the same time. They protect your muscles from breakdown and give them the raw materials to rebuild stronger. Fruit number 3, avocados, the muscle protector. Yes, avocado is technically a fruit, and it is one of the most powerful allies for seniors who want to protect and rebuild muscle. Avocados are rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, potassium, magnesium, and B vitamins, all of which work together to support muscle strength. The fats in avocado act as a slow-burning fuel for your body, giving you sustained energy throughout the day instead of the highs and crashes from sugary snacks. Potassium and magnesium prevent cramps and weakness, while B vitamins boost metabolism and help your muscles use protein more efficiently. Seniors who eat half an avocado daily often report more stable energy, stronger grip strength, and better endurance when walking or climbing stairs. Think of avocado as a natural energy pack for your muscles. Fruit number 2, blueberries, the muscle healer. Tiny but mighty, blueberries are packed with antioxidants called anthocyanins, which fight oxidative damage inside the muscles. As we age, oxidative stress is one of the biggest reasons muscles lose their ability to recover quickly. Blueberries act like a repair crew, rushing to damaged muscle fibers and neutralizing the stress that keeps them from healing. In fact, research shows that seniors who eat blueberries before or after exercise recover muscle strength nearly twice as fast as those who don't. They also reduce soreness and improve overall endurance. Just a handful of blueberries daily can sharpen your memory, strengthen your muscles, and give you an edge against aging. Fruit number 1, pomegranate, the strength restorer. Now we arrive at the king of muscle-building fruits, pomegranate. This ruby red fruit is a powerhouse of nitrates and antioxidants that boost blood flow, improve endurance, and stimulate muscle regeneration. Clinical studies have shown that older adults who drank pomegranate juice daily experienced significant improvements in muscle recovery, reduced soreness, and better walking performance. Pomegranate's compounds activate mitochondria, the tiny power plants inside your cells, so your muscles can produce more energy. This is why some seniors report feeling decades younger after adding pomegranate to their diet. If there's one fruit you start with, make it this one. Whether eaten fresh or juiced at home, pomegranate has the power to restore your strength, your energy, and your independence. My friends, weakness is not your destiny. Fatigue is not your fate. Shrinking muscles are not the price you must pay for growing older. You have a choice to fuel your body with the natural power it craves, a choice to rebuild what was lost, and a choice to live your later years not in decline, but in strength. The 7 fruits we have just revealed, watermelon, pineapple, bananas, oranges, avocados, blueberries, and pomegranate, are more than just food. They are medicine. They are nature's design, and they are waiting to bring your muscles back to life. So the next time someone tells you that aging means weakness, smile and remember the truth. You are not finished. Your best days are not behind you. With the right choices, your muscles can be rebuilt, your energy renewed, and your spirit revived. Now, before you go, I want to hear from you. Which of these fruits do you already eat, and which one will you add to your diet starting today? Share your answer in the comments below, because your story might inspire another senior who needs this message. And remember, here at the Seniors Hub, we believe aging is not the end. It's the beginning of a stronger, wiser, and more vibrant chapter. Now it's your turn, my friends. Which of these powerful fruits do you already eat? And which one will you start adding to your diet today? Share your answer in the comments below, because your story could inspire another senior watching this right now. And if this video gave you hope, don't keep it to yourself. Give it a like, share it with a loved one, and make sure you subscribe to the Seniors Hub for more life-changing health tips. Together, let's grow stronger, live longer, and prove that age is nothing but a number.